to bring them back after tomorrow night's elimination, so you got to vote tonight. Very confusing, I know, but I know you guys can handle it. Tom.
Can't wait till we get Lance's score from Peanut. 12 stars remain. 11 of them will dance tonight. One of them won't. Find out who's in the competition. ABC's Dancing with the Stars. Brought to you by Monster. This is a totally, completely, 100% new Monster 6. And
She's trying to get rid of the poker.
I don't know what she's doing. Harley, do. Hey, Harley. Hey, Goofy.
switch to AT&T. More bars in more places.
Done now. Now you did it, Melissa.
Fresh, crisp apples, low-fat milk, chicken McNuggets made with white meat. Now that's a healthy meal.
Get it, Harley, get it!
Notice that the more you wash an outfit, the more it shows? With every wash, the color fades.
Ow!
But now there's new Tide Total
Okay, now I got a butt in her face.
Tide Total Care actually keeps your clothes looking new and good.
Okay, Harley.
Tide Total Care. 30 washes and still
You goofy dog. She's alright. She's wagging her tail.
No,
Whoa!
her butt's getting in her face. Hey, silly goose. Get a butt in my face. Alright, Harley. Alright. Enough.
Mommy's no fun.